Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful video. So guys, today I'm back with another strategy on crash 1000 1 minute time frames, and I'm going to show you the settings for this strategy because this is the settings that we need to know about first. So on our main chart, we doesn't have anything on our main chart. We have the indicator window one first. We have the relative strength index, which is in the period of 40, the applied to open. We have our style to be in red color, and we have our pixel to be in what, in 3. Let's put it to 3. Then we have our level in different level. We have the level of 100, we have level of 90, and we have level of 10, and we have level of 5, and we have level for 50 level. So these are the level that we need to have. So we have our moving average. On the second indicator that we need to know, in the period of 5, we have shift of 0, we have methods to be exponential, we have applied to open, and we have our style to be in black color. Then you can press on done. Then you move to your moving average, the second moving average, the period of 10, the shift of 0, the methods to be exponential, and we have applied to close, and we have this as our color. So you can choose any color of your choice, and once you do that, then you can have the same settings the way I have it here. As you can see that I have a main chart here currently now that is running in profit, and you can easily set this up on it. And also what you need to do is to combine this your strategy with the main chart so that you can trade successfully. So let me explain how this strategy works. If you want to use this strategy to scrap the market, you can easily use it. What you just need to do is to wait for this our RSI to reach our 10 level, and once it reach our 10 level, then you can wait for the moving average to also reach that level also. So I told you guys that we have our moving average at this particular level. You see, we are having our moving average of 10 and moving average of 5, which is giving us the black area, and it's respect our 10 to 5 level, and that is the reason why I take this particular trade at this particular area. So I'm going to be waiting for this my red 9, which is my RSI, to reach my 50 level before I close, and if possible there is a reverse in the market, I will keep on holding the trade until I have my RSI, which is the red 9, reaching my 50 level. So that is the rule when you are scrapping the market with this strategy. And also you also need to adjust your screen to the last area of your charts. Like this, you need to set it up at the beginning of your screen so that you can easily identify the right area for you to enter this particular trade. You can move your trade like this, so you need to set it up to the last area at like this for you to identify the area for you to enter this particular trade. As you can see now, I enter this particular trade at this area when I get the full confirmation of it. So let me show you more sample of what you need to do when you are trading with this strategy. You see, this is another example. You see, we have our entry at this particular area, so this will be our beginning of the trade. So we have to move it to this area. You see, we have that full confirmation here. So like this particular area now, you can easily enter your trade here and keep on catching up with your trade on the uptrend for main time before you can take your profits one at this level. Then you can easily enter another take profit 2 at this level. So that is this very easiest way for you to crash the market like this. You see, we have another entry at this particular level. You see this particular level again, so we can easily have this. Then we keep on taking it down. Your take profit one might find at the 50 level at this area, and you might also wait for the 90 level to take your take profit too. But I will advise you guys to what, to always go with take profit one, which is the 50 level, or if it go above it little bit, then you can easily go with that. And also, if you want to use this strategy to what, to catch up a spike, this is the area that you need to what, to minimize. You have to wait for your 2 moving average to cross below the what, the red line. You have to wait for the 2 moving average to cross below the what, the 2 moving average. And when they cross below and they are what, and they are joined to what, to form together at the 90 level, then you can easily enter your trade at this area. Then you can keep on catching down the what, the spike. So let me show you some example of what I mean by that. You see, we have another entry here for what, for scrapping, and you see at this particular area, you have it at this area. You see, as I told you guys that you need to adjust your screen to the beginning of your chart. You see, you can keep on what, taking the candlestick, and after sometimes you can easily take your what, your take profit one around this area, and take profit two will be around 50, which we are around 90 level at this particular area. You see, that is it. So let me show you now. Yes, we have another one here. We have another one at this area here. We have another one at this area. Okay, let's see, maybe we have another entry. You don't forget, until you have our main area is on this particular spot. You see, we don't have any confirmation on it. We don't have any confirmation on it. Just keep looking this particular area. Just keep on looking this particular area, because we are going to be, our screen is going to be set along this area. So you need to keep on looking that area. So until you see we have a what, a full confirmation here. We have a full confirmation here what, for scrapping, and you can easily enter the market at this area. Then you what, you catch up your what, your scrapping, you take your profit to one, and this your profit two is 90 level, but it's not even up to 90 level before it keep on spiking. So I will advise you guys to always make use of your take profits one. So we have another level here. You see, it respects this level for spike. You see, it respects this level for spike, for spike. You see, I told you guys that our 2 moving average are going to cross below the what, they are going to cross below the what, the red line. You see that they are going to cross below the red line, and they are going to be reaching up to 90 level, where you are going to be joining together to form a what, a spike entry in the market. So guys, that's exactly what I told you guys that to do. And also don't forget to what, to adjust your screen with what, we are having here. As you can see now, currently now I'm having a lot of what, a lot of profits that is running, and currently now I'm going to be what, to be closing it up. Is closer to my what, to my take profits one now, so which I'm going to be closing after this video. So guys, if you are watching this channel first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop another powerful video like this. And also you can also like and comment on this video, and also share it around. And also you can join our Telegram group for mentorship and for guide. We are always available for you guys. Thanks.